Lordy, I'm sure your offense is always going to be there. Basta kung libre, tira. Pero dito sa series na to, mag-focus ka sa depensa mo. Makakatapat mo si James Yap, make sure you make life difficult.
Alaminos Pangasinan native who is in his 8th season in the pros, standing at 6'2", number 18, Lordy Tugade.
Elderman, binigay kay Tugade sa ilat. Mike Henry.
Ang ganda naman ng pasa.
Able to block that shot kung saka
Gaganti si Tugade.
Pero lamang pa rin ang Coca-Cola rito. Here's that 3-point attempt and convert. Alaminos Pangasinan, back-to-back TM triples.
And this kind of game favors the North because of their quickness and their run-and-gun game, no? And with the humidity factor being what it is, favors the North because of their quickness and their speed.
You know, with the acquisition ito si Jonas Villanueva, dahil last year nakuha na nila itong si...
Ball game ito. So take a look ito. Balikan po natin ito. TM3 mula dito kay Lordy Tugade.
Out to Hontiveros. Tugade goes for three. TM3!
Ang layo niya sa...
Hindi rin siya makatras. Hindi niya makatrasan si Thomas eh.
Ang layo nga niya. Air 21.
Si Lordy Tugade. With a TM3, hatid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim. Almost halfway through the third period. And Tugade. Here's Tugade. Thought about it. Now he fires. And he scores!
It's guessing.
Well, here's the offense of San Miguel.
Kicks it out to Lordy Tugade. Yeah!
Upper hand. Maybe praying a little bit from the outside. Tugade hits the jump.
Sigaw to Lordy Tugade!
Jump lang yan. Pero kung sinakailangan, matalas na matalas ang 3-point shooting yan.
Receiving the pass, squared perfectly for the shot. There's the foul by Aaron Aban. And
Down to Mctinese. Nalabas kay Lordy Tugade for the open 3-point shot. Yes!
third quarter, naghahabol ang Magnolia. Tugade for three. Yes! Pero lamang pa rin ang Coca-Cola rito. Here's that 3-point attempt and conversion by the basketball finally. Ito, Tugade for three. Yes! Alaminos Pangasinan, back-to-back TM triples.
Panig ng Red Bull. Lordy Tugade as he makes a quick move towards the basket. Kagad. So sabi nga natin, napatsaga natin mabuti. Ito si Lordy Tugade.
Pero dito man naman, kitang-kita mo, unang atake na kagad sa low post, nakashoot kagad siya. Gave us 2 looks yung back to the basket, and ngayon naman, jumapsot sa pag-side.
Si Lordy Tugade, warin yan eh.
Hindi siya nag-gloves eh.
Big Pinisi, outside shot! Si Lordy Tugade at titira. Rebounding story for Pure Foods. They can get a lot of offensive rebounds. That's what it said they good.
Tugade. He has not showed a thing. Laban Gimenezes. Now he goes up. Finally gets a back.
Down to Mctinese. Nalabas kay Lordy Tugade for the open 3-point shot. Yes! Explode for Red Bull. He hasn't done that. I'm talking about time. Advantage of the foul line here in this third quarter. Lordy Tugade with a snap shot! Look at Serena Cruz. Lordy Tugade lets it fly! Red Bull, he hasn't done that. I'm talking about 134. Nice pass to Lordy. Nalabas kay Lordy Tugade for the open 3-point shot. Yes! Pass in on Red Bull. And the scoop here in this third quarter. Lordy Tugade with a snap shot! Lordy Tugade lets it fly! Tugade trying to weave inside and back to Danny Siegel. Siegel to Lordy Tugade!
Oh, Lordy Tugade! Yeah! Yan! Pero kung sinakailangan, matalas na matalas ang 3-point shooting yan.
Kicks it out to Lordy Tugade! Inside to Lordy Tugade! Para natin ating low here in this move of the game. Riding high. Our fearless move of the game brought to you by offensive rebound. And got a circle good. Tawa pa rin itong lamang na Magnolia. Getaway move. This once again.
The pass and the pick.
And Tugade on the move. Sidestep beauty. Brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. Tapok si Lordy Tugade.
There. Binigay kay Lordy Tugade. Reverse layup.
Si Eric Meng was going to close in on him.
Papakita sa atin ni Lordy Tugade from the baseline. Yun, sa kaliwa. Nagukot pa ron.
He has not showed a thing. Laban kay Meneses. Now he goes up.
Tugade. Quick shot from
Lordy Tugade pulls up.
against Helferbrand. Tugade, the fadeaway, tough shot.
Pinahirapan din.
Lordy Tugade. Kahit magmatakas si KT. Ayun, hindi nakabuelo eh. KT Canaleta.
The action over to Tugade, the Alaminos has
now. It's just only a two-possession game, and one execution here.
Kita mo naman yung firepower. Lord Tugade, mukhang fully
To make the nation. Talabas kay Lordy Tugade for the open three-point shot. Receiving the pass, squared perfectly for the shot. There's a foul by Aaron Abad and
Smarter, naghahabol ng Magnolia. Tugade for 3. Yes! Colarito. Here's that 3-point attempt and conversion. Ito, Tugade for 3. Alaminos, Pangasinan. Back-to-back TM triples.
And this kind of game favors the North because of their quickness. And run and gun game, no? And with the humidity factor being what it is,
At ito, pinapalikan natin ang Lordy Tugade.
To make that resolution every single year. He loves fast.
Red Bull, he hasn't done that. And we're talking about
since.
This is Tugade.
Custodio. Tugade from the baseline. Drives inside. Here's Lordy Tugade inside.
And the bounce pass inside of the move.
Binigay kay Tugade sa ilalim. Okay, naman yung rebound.
Ito pong si Lordy Tugade. Iwas na.
Ika nga, coming for another from another defense.
Maybe praying a little bit from the outside. Tugade.
Tugade goes for 3.
Look ito, balikan po natin ito ha. TM3 mula dito kay Lordy.
Well, here's the offense of San Miguel.
Sneed against 3. Gets it across. Tugade.
21.
Lordy Tugade. The TM3 sa din sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte. Almost halfway through the third period. And Tugade is Tugade. Thought about it. Now he fires. And he scores.
As takes the shot. And Lordy Tugade, a nice.